Hello everyone, my name is Cheng Mo. Here is my LinkedIn profile. As you can see, here is my photo, and I currently have 5 connections. Uh, then I joined multiple group I interested in, like digital marketing, social media today, and here is the company I followed, like Amazon, Huawei Technologies, and is the job posting I interested in, which is account manager in Huawei Technology. As you can see, I found like 7 of Oregon State University alumni work for Huawei, and maybe those people also graduated from Oregon State University. Now let's move on to the handshake page. As you can see, here is my handshake profile, and here's my photo, and here is my resume. You can see I update my resume here, and back to my personal profile page. You can see everything about me, my education, my work experience. So, let's move to the Glassdoor page. So the most interesting interview question I found out is if you want to relocate it to China and move your family there, like which city you want to go. I think this question probably asks like show your positive interest because you have respect their culture. And the average salary I found out like Huawei Technology pays like $100,000 a year, like for the product marketing managers. I think this is pretty high salary. Then the job orders I choose I choose is masters. Like I'm trying to search like job near product marketing, job near Corvallis, and I find there's very interesting one I read posted like a month ago that I think I'm interested in. This is the customers experience technicians working in Albany, which is not far from Corvallis. And this company doesn't mention like how much they will pay for you, but I think this is like a job after I graduated. Then let's move to the web I chose specific to my career interest and choice. So it's a article talk about how to become a accounting assistant and a how to become a marketing manager, which I think is which I think is pretty suitable to me. And next, let's move to the my LinkedIn profile URL. As you can see, I remodify my URL, and I add my name after the website. Also, I added to my resume header. And finally, let's move to my way up page, which here I think way up is like pretty useful website. It's like a student LinkedIn. They like offer offer like career tips and some internship, which I think is pretty useful for me. As you can see here is my pictures, photos, and some background about me, like like work experience, skills, hobbies. However, I think that is pretty much everything about me. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you.